It's just in, and it's a breaking news that Honorable Akol has retained his seat. The saga of APG, whether we don't know whether we should stay, it still continues or it has just ended. But just in, and it's a breaking news. Acholi Parliamentary Group just concluded the General Assembly, and it is only 10 people, 10 members who were physically present. 5 members were on Zoom, and 3 members sent their apologies. Members received an over report from the outgoing chairman and discussed it. The minutes of the meeting shall be availed later on. Amendments of APG constitution was done and adopted. Copies shall be circulated to the members as soon as it is edited. Election was conducted and the following members were duly elected. Here, they've just specified 5 positions. Number one, Honorable Akol Anthony retained the chairperson, as I told you. Number two, Honorable Margaret is the vice chairperson. Then number three is Honorable Okelo Geoffrey, is the Secretary General who replaces Amos in the former position. Then also Honorable Nancy Achora becomes the treasurer, and also Honorable Ujok Andrew is the information and publicity uh, person. Then a detailed information shall be provided tomorrow during a press conference by the executive members by 10 a.m. at Parliament building. Now, a detailed information is coming tomorrow at 10 a.m. at the Parliament building, meaning if this stands as it is, meaning Jonam has been knocked out and his position has lasted barely 2 months. Thank you.